Chapter 3. Creating a new picture. From the Project Catalog zone, select Picture and then double-click on New. Enter the picture's configuration details as shown. Once you have checked the details, click OK, and Touch Explorer will generate the picture according to your specifications. The picture toolbox should open up automatically. If it doesn't, press the F10 key to make it come back. You can use the picture toolbox to draw all kinds of components in the picture. For example, if you wish to enter text, select the text button. Click anywhere in the picture to enter your text. If you then wish to edit the font of the text, select the text and press the ABC button in the toolbox. If you wish to change the color of the text, select the color palette and click on any color. To hide the color palette, click the icon again. To start developing your picture, select the Wizards menu, either from the toolbar or using the F2 key. Using the graphics available, you can now replicate your industry scene on the computer. Select a reactor from the options available. Then click anywhere in the picture to place your reactor. Once it's there, you can move it to any location within the picture. You can then use the same method to insert other reactors, and use the text button from the toolbox to insert the name of the reactor. To insert a cubic pipeline, select the pipe icon from the toolbox. Then place it anywhere within the picture and drag it across to where you'd like it to end. Double click and the pipe appears as you wish. You can then use the color palette to change the color of the pipeline. Select the pipeline icon, then click any color. To change the properties of the pipe, right click and then go down to Pipe Properties, and you can change the width and the length. You can insert a valve along the pipeline using the Wizards menu. You can then adjust the size of the valve to fit the pipe. For the purpose of this demo, the final picture looks like this. However, you can make it more complicated or more simple depending on your circumstances. Animation links. The role of an animation link is the relationship between a graphic in a picture and the database tag. To set up an animation link, double-click the graphic and the dialog box will appear. Set the dialog box as shown. Then click OK. Enter an empty text string next to the reactor. This character string is free, and when the system is running, the content of the character string will be filled by the analog value of the output. Then double-click on the free character string and click Analog View Display. And set the dialog box as follows. Click OK to complete the animation link. Then set up the valve animation links as shown. Double-click on the valve. Select the colors you would like to see when the valve is switched off and switched on. Then click OK. When the valve is off, it will be red, and when the valve is on, it will show as green. Repeat the same method for the other two valves. Then save the picture. To set the animated liquid flow, define a tag within the Touch Explorer. Set animated liquid flow to find a memory and integer tag in the data dictionary. Set the tag definition as follows and click OK. Switch back to Touch Explorer and select the cubic pipeline. Draw the pipe onto the picture. Double-click onto the pipe, select the Flow option and set the dialog box. And then click OK. The local control flow is a memory integer tag, which means when the program is running, if you do not change the value, it will stay at the initial value, which is 0. To make sure the value changes and make the liquid flow with the value, place a text box in the picture. Double-click this text box, select Analog Value Display, and then click OK. Also set the analog input, then click OK. Save all pictures and then switch to the view. You can now input different values to change the direction of the flow. Hide link is used to either display or hide pictures according to the expressed value. The hide link picture is set up as shown, with the picture in the middle, title, and then description of what the picture is. To display the alarm status, when the depth is greater than 100, double-click on the red circle, select Hide, and fill in the expression. Once you've selected the appropriate expression, make sure it's on Hide and then click OK. Save all pictures and switch to View. The picture is now hidden. To set the object to blink, when the condition expressed is true, double-click on the object, select Blink and then OK. Make sure the condition is in the box and click OK. Save all pictures and switch to View. The object now blinks as shown. You can use something called a zoom link that makes the size of the connected graph change in accordance with the changes of the connected expression. The picture is set up as shown. Double-click the red object, select Zoom, fill in the appropriate expression, change the value to 100 and the percentage to 100%, and then click OK. Save the picture and switch to View. You can now see the picture changing in accordance to the changing of the expression. A rotation link is used to make the position of the object in the picture change according to the value of the connected expression. The picture is set up as shown. Once you've created your pointer, double-click, select Rotate, fill in the appropriate expression, check that it's 360 degrees and all the corresponding values are OK, select OK, save all pictures and switch to View. The picture is now rotating as you specified. Horizontal sliders could also be used to show changes in values. The picture is set as follows, and then you just choose the slider from the Wizards menu. When you've selected your slider, click on the part that you expect to move and select Horizontal. Put in the appropriate expression, check all the values and click OK. Save all pictures and switch to View. The slider now moves in accordance with the changing of expression. The bitmap function can be used to import pictures such as that shown into Touch Explorer. In Touch Explorer, select the bitmap function from the toolbox and draw a picture within the frame. Then right-click and select Load from File. Then select your picture. The picture then appears as shown.